Welcome back to Daily Drops of Heaven, the channel that's dedicated to helping you become the best version of yourself, one day at a time. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both inspiring and practical: how to get better every single day. So, whether you're looking to enhance your personal growth journey or find motivation for self-improvement, you're in the right place. Getting better every single day is a noble goal that can be achieved through a combination of self-improvement strategies and mindset changes. We have curated a list of steps you can take to help you get better each day, so make sure to watch until the end. Before we dive in, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on videos helping you improve your life daily. Now let's get straight into it. Set clear goals. First and foremost, setting clear goals is crucial. We recommend using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's understand each criteria a little bit more. Specific. Goals should be clearly defined. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months." Measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. Use metrics or milestones to gauge how close you are to achieving your goals. Achievable. Set goals that are realistic and attainable. Unrealistic goals can lead to frustration. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your overall objectives and values. Time-bound. Set deadlines for your goals. This adds a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. Overall, the SMART criteria ensures that your goals are well-defined and manageable. Prioritize self-reflection. Regularly assess your values, priorities, and long-term aspirations. Consider keeping a journal to record your thoughts, experiences, and personal growth journey. Seek feedback from mentors or trusted friends to gain an external perspective on your self-reflection. Learn continuously. Read books, articles, and research relevant to your interests and goals. Take online courses or attend workshops to acquire new skills. Attend seminars, conferences, and webinars to stay up to date in your field. Create a daily routine. Design a routine that includes dedicated time for work, relaxation, exercise, personal development, and social interaction. Allocate time for tasks based on your energy levels throughout the day. Consistency in your daily routine can create a sense of structure and productivity. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness meditation or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to reduce stress and enhance focus. Be fully present in the moment, whether you're working, eating, or spending time with loved ones. Mindfulness can improve emotional intelligence and self-awareness. Stay healthy. Regularly exercise to maintain physical health and mental well-being. Consume a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutritious foods. Prioritize sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night to allow your body and mind to recover. Seek feedback. Encourage open and honest communication with colleagues, mentors, and friends. Act on feedback by making necessary improvements or changes. Constructive feedback is an invaluable tool for self-improvement. Embrace failure. Shift your mindset to see failure as a learning opportunity. Analyze your failures to understand what went wrong and how to improve. Develop resilience to bounce back from setbacks. Break big goals into smaller steps. Create a roadmap or action plan with achievable milestones. Smaller steps make daunting goals more manageable and allow you to track progress effectively. Each small achievement is a step toward the larger goal. Cultivate positive habits. Identify habits that align with your goals and make them a part of your daily routine. Use habit tracking tools or apps to monitor your progress. Stay consistent with habit formation to turn them into automatic behaviors. Stay curious. Explore new subjects and activities that pique your interest. Keep a curious mindset by asking questions, seeking knowledge, and engaging in intellectual pursuits. Curiosity can lead to new passions and a broader understanding of the world. Stay adaptable. Be open to change and adaptable in the face of uncertainty. Develop problem-solving skills to navigate unexpected challenges. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation. network, and build relationships. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your interests and goals. Build relationships both in your personal and professional life to gain different perspectives and opportunities for growth. Networking can lead to collaborations, mentorships, and new experiences. Time management. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Use time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or task lists to optimize your productivity. Minimize distractions and maintain focus during designated work periods. Help others. Volunteer, mentor, or offer assistance to others in your community or profession. Helping others can build empathy, improve communication skills, and provide a sense of fulfillment. Teaching or guiding someone else can deepen your own understanding of a subject. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and reward your achievements, no matter how small they may be. Celebrating milestones can boost your motivation and confidence. Share your successes with friends and family to build a support system. Remember that self-improvement is a continuous journey, and it's okay to have setbacks. The key is to remain committed and persistent in your efforts to get better every day. Keep refining your approach, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of self-discovery and personal growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Drops of Heaven for more content that inspires your daily journey towards self-improvement. And as always, may your every day be a step closer to your personal heaven.